Hello, and thank you for attending our Schedaero webinar. In this session, we will review some of the recent enhancements released in Schedaero for the third quarter of 2019. We will also review where to locate the new features and provide a general overview of how to use each of them. First, on the quoting level, you now have the option to display the manufacturing year of aircraft on your quotes. To activate this, go to Company, then Settings, and click on the Reports tab. From here, click Customize Quote and Invoice PDFs and check off Year of Make, then hit Save. Now, when you generate a quote, the year of make will print right on the PDF. Back on that same company settings page, you can indicate if you'd like the estimated passenger count to reflect on both passenger and pilot trip sheets. Click on the Customize Trip Sheets link, check off Estimated Passengers, and hit Save. To see the estimate on the trip sheets, you will need to select the TBD button on the itinerary. Still on the Settings page, let's move over to the General tab. Previously, you've had the capability to create custom flight regulations, but now you have the option to set which flight regulation should default for trips and quotes. Select which should be defaulted, and hit Save. Also on this same General tab, you can indicate if you want to send users an emailed reminder 90 days prior to their documents expiring. Scroll to the bottom, check off the Send Notification box, and hit Save. To upload and modify documents and dates, go to People, then Customers. Select the appropriate customer, click the Documents and Addresses tab, and click either the Add Document or Edit button. Once here, add or update the expiration date and hit Save. Now, the reminder will be sent out 90 days prior to this date. While on the customer profile, it's important to point out that previously only PDFs were uploadable as documents. Now, you can have multiple file types to upload, such as a picture taken with your mobile device or a scanned image. We had a soft release of our mobile crew app in Q2 of 2019, and now we have released even more functionality. You can confirm flight logs within the app, regardless if you're connected to the internet. If you are not connected at the time, you can hit the refresh button once internet access is established, and all confirmed flight logs will be uploaded into Schedaero. Future versions through the remainder of 2019 will include duty logging and expense tracking, all within the app. One of our more popular releases is the function to assign multiple tails to one trip. This would be beneficial if you have a mechanical mid-trip or need to swap out aircraft for any other reason. To use this, go to Trips, then Schedule Trips. Once in the individual trip, click Edit Itinerary, then click Set Per Leg and swap out the current tail with a different tail. Then hit Save. Another of our popular releases is our integration with the online booking and operations management tool, FlightBridge. With the integration, when a trip is built in Schedaero, the itinerary is sent to FlightBridge for booking the logistical parts of the trip. This is also where members can house their passengers' rewards cards, membership programs, and etc. with the different vendors. Once booked and confirmed in FlightBridge, that information is then sent back into Schedaero, a true two-way integration between the companies for streamlined planning. In the second quarter of 2019, we released our pilot dashboard under People, then Training and Currency. But we have now released additional features for tracking training, currencies, and qualifications. Please review the video on our Schedaero Academy page for detailed information on setting up this dashboard. Finally, you as our Schedaero members have been listened to and heard. A very popular request has been to include the trip status on our flight leg export report. Now, once you generate the report, you will see an additional column labeled Trip Status. I hope this webinar has given everyone an overview of the recent releases rolled out in Schedaero in the past few months. Please look for additional training sessions reviewing other areas of Schedaero and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.